15 says 5 milligrams of morphine sulfate have been prescribed for a patient suffering severe pain. If 15 milligrams per milliliter morphine sulfate are in hand, how many milliliters should be administered? So I see the slash here, so that is going to be my label, or my available. So that's going to be 15 milligrams. Now, this says per milliliter. So whenever you see per milliliter or any kind of per unit, and there's no number there, that's implied to be a 1. So this is 15 milligrams per 1 milliliter. It's like saying if you're driving 25 miles per hour, that's the same thing as saying you're driving 25 miles per 1 hour. So I'm going to set this equal to the order, which is 5 milligrams. And I'm going to solve this. So 1 times 5 divided by 15. And we get 0.3 repeating, and we're supposed to round to the nearest tenth. So this would be 0.3 milliliters.